Hi all, welcome to techbytes. In this video we will learn about how to install nodejs. For that, open the browser and search for nodejs installer, download nodejs, then go to official website of the nodejs downloads page, and here we can see the platform wise installers, and LTS means it's a long term support, and current means it's a latest version of the node.js. Mostly we'll go to the LTS only because it's a stable version. I'm downloading the Mac OS related installer. Once the download is completed, go to downloads folder. See, the download is completed. Open the Click on it. Instead of open, directly click on it, and we can see the installation process. Here we can see the nodejs installation path and npm I will discuss about later, and click on continue. And this is the license agreement. We have to agree that. Click continue and click on agree button. Now we can see here we can able to change the installation location also. If most of the systems it will take by default. If you want, you can change. Okay, here it will prompt the password for the user. Enter the password. So it's a system password actually, and you click on install software. The installation process is going on. See, the installation is completed, and the nodejs installation location and the npm installation location is displayed here. And click on close button because the installation is processed. This is a very simple installation. Click on close button, and here it is asking prompting for delete the binary. In Mac it will ask if you want to keep it, you can keep it, otherwise we can move it to bin. Move it to bin means it's a remove. I am removing this, and go to now we will check through the command line or a terminal. In Windows it's a command, here it's a terminal. We can go to the terminal and type node-v. It will give the version. Okay, installed version. Okay, if the node.js is installed, it will returns the version of it. Otherwise it will show some command not found error. If you type node, okay, it will execute the node.js. Okay, this is what the installation process of the node.js. If you have any questions, please mention in the comments, and thank you for watching.